So, me never in a place to hold me. He know of me before me go a Black Cat.
Okay.
But in them time, I never bust yet. So when me bust, I say, me know him, man. Panther, me know him how bust. Because wicked. Because Sky just want them, you know. Because Sky just first give me a mic, you know.
Yeah.
As big selector. Me I play a
big up Sky Juice.
Big up Sky Juice, my father, my general. Me I play a Walton Park Road Russell. Sky Juice I got Metro Media somewhere uptown in a play. Me never also in a play with solo. And stop a Russell party first. And take him mic and dance. Me say, see that boy, yeah? People, him a go bust wicked. Sky Juice tell him that. I don't remember for 1991 or what. With the summit. But no. Them time I be about 89, 88. Because Russell me that play at the time. We never got a Black Cat yet. And Russell the man in dance for partner, brother. For sure, long Sky Juice record. Nice my talent, you know. So I have big up Sky Juice, man.
So,
yes, so, and this, so, me left and go Black Cat from Russell to Black Cat.
All right, let me ask now. All right, you can list some of the sound them when you kill, and some of the clash them when you lose.
I lose a couple clash, man, but in time I lose one clash, I just bend a class to see it. Yo, Panther lose that with. Close. Jar beat me before, BSLC beat me before, Pieces beat me before. What again? Couple song beat me before. King of these guitar one baby face them. They beat me one time, but the biggest dancer them for beat me kill them.
Which part?
Biltmore Ballroom. March 1993. The first time Black Cat touched Merc and Sile. New York. Me alone, you know. Killer baby face. That's how I turn about it. A baby face with a lion face now. Him and the man right them time there.